everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I am in Dieselland in Orlando with Andrew from Mustang Lifestyle, and I was fortunate enough to get a VIP spot into the show with the 97 Cobra. So I'm with his whole group. He brought his GT500, his 350R, turbo bullets here, his new Fox body. Nick Curtin is here with his sweet 2-valve swap. So yeah, man, I just finished up the Cobra, so I'm gonna show you all the cars real quick before the show really starts, and just have a good time. So let's go check out some of the cars. I normally only go with Cobra guys. That's iconic GT500, iconic Shelby. This car's mint. Oh wow, 289. That's a beautiful car. Hey Nick, you want to give everyone a rundown on your 2-valve?
2-valve. It's a Gen 2 truck motor with Mustang cams, billet oil pump gears, a custom turbo kit, custom headers, basically AC power steering, everything works. 6R80 swap, built rear end, 2 Magna fuel pumps, and 760 horsepower on E85 stock motor.
Yeah, it's not a 2-valve. I kind of like, but it skirts. And I think it's the most beautiful car here. I mean, every nut and bolt on that thing is gorgeous. The paint and everything. But Nick's the one that actually put my car back together. If y'all didn't know, so if you guys need any work done, hit him up.
Oh yeah.
Because he does really good work, cares about his people. So
Florida Auto Surgeons.
Oh, check it out. They got James Dean. What the? Wish I had some history on this car, but I think this is like, he had one of these cars, and I don't know if this is the one that he died in or whatnot, but that's really cool that they got him right next to this. Of course, Back to the Future. That is really cool. Cool Ferrari, Mach 5. That's how The A-Team. That's awesome. Mr. T. I spy Ghostbusters. Wow, they got the kit car. I wish they had the 08 GT500 KR that was in that TV show Knight Rider for like, I think it was like 1 or 2 seasons, but it was a really kick-ass show. I watched it when I was younger. Man, I wish they had that car here. But that was a really sick car, really sick build, and the whole show was pretty fun to watch. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Robert. I'm the main tour guide here at the Desert Collection at the Orlando Auto Museum. And here we're standing behind our tribute replica to James Dean, the little bastard, in his car, the little bastard, also known as the James Dean Death Car. Now, this is a tribute replica. It is a custom fiberglass Porsche body, actually mounted on a VW chassis, made by Jay Orberg, who, if you don't know the name, look him up. He does movie and TV cars and a lot of really crazy hot rods. He's out of Las Vegas. Don't ask me to spell his name. It's printed on the car, and I forget his name. Anyways, so the James Dean Death Car. So if you don't know about James Dean, he invented cool, basically. He only did 3 movies. He was amazing in all of them. And they nicknamed him the Little Bastard. I still don't know exactly why that came up. But he loved fast cars. He loved racing. He's pretty much, you've heard the expression, live fast, die young, leave a beautiful corpse. That's pretty much James Dean's life right there. So he had this car custom built for a race that he was gonna go in. And when he went to pick up the car, Sir Alec Guinness, and this was long before he was Obi-Wan Kenobi in Star Wars, he was a good friend of Dean, and he was with him when he picked up the car, and he did like a true Obi-Wan sort of thing. He said, "James, I have a very bad feeling about this vehicle. Do not buy it, or you'll be dead within a month." I think your camera just went off, I'm not sure. Okay, so good. All right, so disregarding that advice, he actually purchased the car. And he was supposed to tow it on a trailer to the race, but last minute, he decided he wanted to drive it there. So he got in the car with his mechanic, and they went out, and they were out in the desert, and it was, you know, out in the middle of nowhere, and they were driving very fast, and wrong place, wrong time. Another driver was coming around the corner at an intersection, and they intersected head on. And the driver of the truck, he survived with minor injuries. James Dean's mechanic was ejected from the vehicle and survived with minor injuries. And James Dean died on impact. Now, the car, it was a very famous wreck. I mean, it was made national news. And other people wanted bits of the car, and they took bits of the car that were not in horrible damage, and they used them in personal vehicles, in personal projects. Every single one of those parts, those cars, those drivers died in a crash. First time using those cars. Now, the body of the car was on display in several museums over the years. And anyone that touched the thing got injured. People would touch it and instantly get a horrible cut or gash on their hand. People would touch it or get near it and walk away and stumble or fall or have some sort of accident, breaking bones, all sorts of other physical damage. Everybody started considering this a cursed vehicle. And the last time the body was seen, George Barris got ownership of it, and he was supposed to do a restoration of the body, but he decided not to, and he locked it away in a storage facility, and the next day, from the locked facility, the body was gone. And they still don't know how it was stolen or where it is to this day.
That's pretty incredible. Because like I was talking about that a little bit, that the car was disappeared and all that, and that's a phenomenal story. I didn't even know all of that, because like I said, he was born from that was Hector and his son, so really cool guys. Probably going to meet up soon, do some videos, so I'm really looking forward to that. Also met a new buddy local by me. He's got an antimatter blue GT 500, so should be a lot of fun. I'm really looking forward to it. Them guys are super cool. So I had a great time at the show. Got to hang out with all my friends, and it ended up being a really cool time. And Dieselland's a lot of fun. So if you guys ever want to go out there, definitely go. And you know, the 97 got some love like usual, so that was always cool. But if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helped me out. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys in the next video.